Hello YouTubers, beer geeks and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright, let's do this. Okay.
This one's from Brewing Company. They're from San Clemente, California. This is called Overcast Double Dry Hop Hazy IPA. Coming in at 7.
Alright, what? Hang on a second here. What the hell this sucker get in here? Alright. I guess we're not gonna, well yeah, hang on. There we go. Okay. So, sorry about that. Got sidetracked. This one is by Eel River Brewing Company. And this one's called Hazy by Nature Series Kicks IPA. A juicy hazy India Pale Ale made with organic grains. Okay, and it comes in at 6.5% alcohol by volume. Canned on 8/25/21, so it's a couple months old. Picked up 4 pints of this at Whole Foods, I don't know, for like 15 bucks or so. That's what the can looks like. Really cool looking can. There's some literature there if you want to check it out. Deposit. Alright. Neat looking can though, yeah. Well, I've never seen this before, so first time for this one, but I did one of their beers not too long ago. I remember it was really good. So let's see what this one brings to the table. Wow, really orangey looking. Oh yeah. Calm down there. Another spectacular pour by the Beer Hound, right? Massive freaking head there. Real tight looking, frothy, creamy, silky. Really orangey looking. That looks like orange juice to me. Big time. Wow, this is gonna be good. There we go. Pretty darn orangey. Looks like a New England to me. Heck yeah. Yeah, let's check that out. There we go. Look at that puppy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Very orangey looking. Alright. Looks good. Alright. The world's brightest freaking light. Ugh. Okay. Alright. So, see if we can get some more of this puppy in there. Super thick head. No, ain't gonna happen this time around, so we'll get aroma on this puppy now. Big tangerine note and like orange, tangerine, grapefruit. Oh man. Pineapple, mango, melons. Man, there's all kinds of notes in this one. It smells excellent. It smells really tropical, fruity. It smells so good. We almost got the rest in there. Excellent looking head there. Would you look at that? These guys are awesome. They really are. Eel River. Where are they from again? think it's Oregon. No, I can't read without my glasses, darn it. What did I do with them things in there? I gotta read this real quick while this head goes down. Damn it. Alright, that's it. Oh, shit. I just want to see the freaking where they're at. Scotia, California. Okay. I don't know where that's at. That sounds like it's somewhere up north, maybe. But anyways, let's get a hit. Cheers. Really, really good. And I'll get a nice little grapefruit peel bite in there along with it. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Big orange, tangerine, not too much grapefruit, some melons, mangoes. There's a whole medley of fruitiness going on in this one. All the ones I mentioned in the aroma are there, and then some. Whole bunch of things going on here. It's really, really difficult beer to pinpoint much, but I would say orange is the front and center on this one. Orange or tangerine. I think it's tangerine, actually. Damn, that's good. Wow, that's phenomenal. There's a couple of notes I'm picking up. I'm not sure what they are. Look at the lacing on the glass. Excellent head retention. There's definitely some fruity notes in here I'm not really familiar of, but they're really good and tasty. I mean, who goes around tasting fruit, right? Hardly anybody does. But the ones I am picking up are definitely tangerine, orange, grapefruit, some pineapple, mango, maybe some papaya, melons. Really good. Nice zestiness to it, medium mouthfeel, no booziness, no raw alcohol notes. Really excellent beer, really excellent. Look at that. Damn, that is really good. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Right. Well, I'm going to pause it for a little bit, let it warm up, and see if I can pinpoint something here, because this is a really complex, difficult beer, but very, very good. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Awesome beer. See the lacing on the glass? This stuff's really tasty. Nice head retention there. Well, I wasn't really able to pinpoint any more notes. It's just super complex, really hard to do it. Orange, all the ones I mentioned earlier are there, very good. So pretty much on a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 4.8. I'm going to give it 4.8. It's awesome. Very awesome. I don't know what else to say. Medium mouthfeel, no booziness. Superbly constructed beer. I'm glad I picked it up, and you should too if you can get it. So yeah, 4.8 it is. That's my story. I'll stick with that. The Kicks IPA by Eel River. Really good stuff. So appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out the vids, and have an awesome morning and day, and we'll check you later. See ya.